Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's scroll down again to find the proper option backup and reset, and tap on reset phone. Now let's tap on reset network settings at the top and simply confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got this information, which simply means that our device just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.